There once was a hill just outside of a small town where a shepherd would often take his sheep to graze, leaving them in the care of a young shepherd boy apprentice. No, he wasn't a bad boy, you understand, but counting sheep all day does tend to put one to sleep, so he was often bored at his job. One day, though, he decided to try to make some of his own excitement.
Wolf! Help! There's a wolf after the flock! Help! Wolf! 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 Wolf!
Did he just say wolf? The flock.
The boy! The yarn!
Hang on, kid! We're on our way!
Hold up your coat! Try to look big! Yeah! Death to wolves!
Oh, you got us. Oh.
Boys will be boys, won't they? We're just glad you're okay. Have some cookies.
Mischievous, certainly, but not dumb.
Wolf! Wolf! Help!
40 twice, shame on me, right? He's a good boy. He'll grow up right, won't he?
Wolf! Wolf, for real this time! Totally serious! Wolf! I didn't think it'd still be funny the third time, but it is!
Just a Kindle Fire, not an iPad?
It's not that funny.
Stop this indulgent farce!
Who are you?
I am the shepherd, and this boy is making a mockery of the noble name of animal husbandry. These sheep, young man, are in your care because they are dependent upon you for their safety, a dependency which you have abused in the name of acquiring toys and sweets. You are dismissed from this post, and do not darken my grazing hill again until you can show some concern for the sheep.
Disconcern it out for ya! Just as I suspected, you're no shepherd. You're just 3 wolves in a coat! Get them.
And so the clever little boy was the toast of the town's garment industry, and they celebrated his victory with a delicious wolf feast for the entire town. It was easier watching the sheep, too, for their natural enemy had been destroyed. With no predators to limit their base of power, the sheep soon grew deceitful, malicious, and eventually predatory.